me and my other unit here with the RCPT, PD, yeah, there's no cause today, to be honest, so, yeah, so, we can't really do any, oh wait, we got a call. Alright, let's head to that. Let's just gonna open our door right here. Alright. We're gonna respond code to dispatch 424 and route to that just that there. Okay. Dispatch, show me on pursuit heading on May 7th. Okay. Heading on Freedom Avenue, suspect has been hitting, okay, I think if Snow can, set up some spikes, that would be nice, or if I can set up some spikes, yeah, maybe, the other unit can set up some spikes, so that would be perfect. Alright, let's just dispatch and say set spike. For the dispatch, unit, I don't know, oh my god! Okay. Huge crash, okay. I'm kinda losing I think, never mind. Dispatch, this is 424 to dispatch. Okay, the pursuit is going to be heading on Highway 55. Okay, dispatch, this is 424 to dispatch. I think, Snow setting up some spikes also, and I'll turn on my but oh my god, okay. Suspect has been spiked. 44 to dispatch. Suspect spike. Okay, 44 to dispatch. We're gonna be in a foot chase. Suspect is taser. Yep. If you wanna go ahead and cuff him, cuff him. Alright. Gonna just take that out. Alright, perfect. We're gonna have to get some DOT here for the tow, like a truck. Now he did crash, so yeah. Anyways guys, that's gonna be it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed, and bye.